guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing and also doing a pretty simple look with the Jenni Rivera collection from Bebella Cosmetics. So let's start. This is huge. This is how the packaging looked, the PR package. This is the whole deal right here. 2 palettes, 2 eyelash styles, 2 highlights. So this is it right here. Beautiful right here. There's the JR Bebella Cosmetics, and I hope I don't drop any of the makeup like my last video. But you open it up and it's like this. Everything, okay, I'm gonna just block my face. But this is what it looks like. This is so beautiful and elegant. And you close it up, open it up. You guys saw that it has 6 items, which is 2 eyeshadow palettes. The first one looks like this. You open it up and it has a magnetic type lid. And this one is called Unforgettable. It's more of a warm toned eyeshadow palette. It has some burgundies, orange, golds, browns. It's also the one that I used for this look. And then the next one is this one right here. This one is called Diva. And again, right here, open it up. And this is more of a cool toned, I would say. Perfect for smoky eye for sure. That's beautiful. It has your blacks, some blues, browns again, and golds. And then you go to the eyelashes. So this is the packaging. I'm wearing the ones that are Unforgettable is the ones that I'm wearing. And then it also has these ones called Diva. I haven't opened them up yet. Let's see what they look like. Oh, these, ooh, I see why they're called Diva. These are so cute. Do you guys see how dramatic those are? So I definitely feel like the collection that's more like this holographic or whatever is more of a dramatic night out diva, just like it's called. Definitely Diva collection. Ooh, they almost fell. These are beautiful. I cannot wait to try those. And then we go to the highlight. It's called Dama Divina. And open it up. Oh, that's so pretty. Very bronzy highlight. Let's see if I could swatch it real quick. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is beautiful. That would give you a beautiful glow. So that is the collection right there. I can swatch some of, since I already used the other palette, I'll swatch some of eyeshadows from this palette so you guys can see. And take the plastic off. So I think I'm gonna swatch Big Booty. Let's do that one. Oh, that's beautiful. And Gran Señora, I really want to see how that... This is like a black glittery. Oh my god, you guys. This is... I don't know if I can... Let me see. I suck at these, okay? Which is why I didn't do it in my other video. But... do you guys see that? And then the blue. That is so pretty. I kind of suck at these. But look at that. That's freaking bomb. I'm definitely going to have to do a smoky eye with that one. Oh my god. I'm about to make like a huge mess. Okay. So let's see. Another one I can swatch is... I can do, ooh, Chacalosa. This one right here, it's like a bronzy. sparkly look, or eyeshadow. Can I see that? Let's see. Oh my god, dude, these are so creamy and pigmented. I don't know if you guys can see my sucky swatches, but that's insane. This collection is like amazing. I am so impressed. Bebella is always amazing, so you know, it was, of course, this collection would be amazing too. So I would definitely, if you guys can get your hands on any of these products, I know they will be restocking them pretty soon. So I would recommend not going, but online, I guess, like logging on and ordering it as soon as they come back out, because this stuff is bomb, all of it. I'm so happy. I'm so glad I was able to get the collection. So thank you to Bebella Cosmetics. They are always like treating me amazingly. So this is great. I am so excited to use the rest of the products. I hope you guys can get your hands on this stuff because it's amazing. And yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, then just keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe and add me on Instagram. And like and share, comment. Any other videos you guys would want me to make, then you can just write it in the comment section and I'll read it there. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next one. Bye. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Unforgettable palette from the collection. It's more of a warmer toned eyeshadow palette. You guys can see there's like some reds, browns, golds, orange right there. Gorgeous. This is what I usually tend to move to, is the warmer tones than the cooler tones. So I'm just gonna try this out and let's see what I come up with. I'm thinking kind of like a bronzy look. So let's go with one of my favorite fluffy brushes from Bebella Cosmetics, number NG329. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take Bella, which is this color right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead, whoa, I put too much. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply it on my crease as a transition shade. I always like to tap the excess off. I kind of just like went in there and stabbed the damn thing. So I got way too much product on my brush. I think it's ready to go now. So just right here, go ahead and blend it out. Still don't really know what I'm gonna do. Kind of an everyday look maybe. Varios, which is kind of like a burgundy-ish color. There's two. There's Survivor, which is a darker sort of burgundy purple, and then Ovarios, which is a lighter. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that one and deepen up my crease area a little bit. And I'm taking another Bebella brush, NG344. Which is kind of like a fluffy brush as well, with a little bit more of a point to it. And this time I went in lightly. I'm just gonna kind of pat it down to apply the color, then I will be blending it out. Like so. Kind of like that, just on the lid and on my crease a little bit. I'm gonna go in with one more, let me see, my lighting's kind of funkier. I think I'm gonna go in with Survivor and kind of just deepen up this area a little bit. So that's this color down here in the corner. And people riding bikes down the street. hurt a lot of people. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this Sigma blending brush in E36. And then again, I'm going to start with tapping motion. And then bring it up slowly. Like that. Alright, so I'm going to take Mariposa and just apply that on my lid and in the corner area, and I just do it in patting motion. I might mix too, maybe. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm gonna go in with the brush that I used for the Survivor eyeshadow and just blend. Don't want any harsh, like straight through lines there. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eye and I'll be right back. So I finished my other eye. I also applied the lashes already, and I went ahead and applied exactly the eyeshadows that I put on my lid on the bottom as well. So now I'm gonna add the lashes on this side, and I'm gonna use the Unforgettable lashes from the collection, and this is the packaging. How cute is that? When you close it, it's like a magnet and it just shuts right there. So cute, but these are beautiful lashes. I already have these ones on. They're super wispy, that's my favorite. Pretty natural too, they're not like, and while my glue dries a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and apply some highlight. And I'm gonna be using Queen. So this is the packaging, pretty similar to the eyeshadow palette. That's so gorgeous, this little plastic thing. But do you guys see how pretty that is? Oh god, this collection is seriously to die for. Alright, so I'm gonna apply. Oh, that's so pretty. That's gorgeous. Bottom lashes as well. I'm using CoverGirl Lash Blast Active Mascara, by the way. And the last thing I'm going to do is apply the highbrow on my waterline. And I'm just going to do it kind of like in the beginning of my eye, not the whole waterline. So just right there, just to open up my eyes a little more, a little brighter. And that kind of completes the look. Yeah, this is it. I recommend this collection. This palette is beautiful. If this is the only thing that you guys get your hands on, then you've got it. These lashes, these are the Unforgettable lashes, again, and the Unforgettable palette, and the Queen, the Queen highlight. That's what I used today. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this look, and if you guys recreate any of my looks, please tag me on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you.